Hi friends, in this lecture we will study how to prepare this gasket. So first thing which you have to study when you see this illustration is that horizontally the width of this is 12 and vertically also the width is 12, that is 6 by 6. So what we'll do is we will draw one rectangle first over here of 12 units by 12 units. So I type the command rectangle and I hit enter, and then I specify the lower left corner, and then I say type at 12 comma 12 and hit enter. So my 12 by 12 rectangle is ready. Next you will see that these four outer areas, they have a radius of 1 unit. Here you can see the radius is specified 1 unit. So what we'll do, we use the fillet feature of Autocad. So here in the home, you have this fillet feature. So I click on fillet and we give the radius by typing R, and we give the radius as 1 and hit enter. Then I type P for polyline and click anywhere on this rectangle, and the four corners of the rectangles get filleted at a radius of 1 unit. Now, after we have done this, then we have to draw these inner four circles. So if you see, these inner four circles have a radius of zero point 0.6. So we will select circle and we'll select center radius and we'll give this as the center point, and radius we'll say 0 0.6 and hit enter. Then we can copy this circle by using the copy command, clicking over here, hitting enter, specifying the displacement point, and then moving it over here, and then moving it here, and moving it here, and then hitting enter to end the copy command. So our drawing is almost ready. Now here you will see that this inner circle has a radius of 5 units. Here you can see the radius given is 5 units. So what we'll do, in order to get the center point, we first select circle and we'll select center radius, and we hover till we get the midpoint, and we track and go on the top and hover till we get the midpoint on the top as well, and then we come down, and when we get the center point we click over here and we give the radius as 5 units and hit enter. Now the outer circle has a radius of 14 units. You can see over here a diameter of 14 units. You can see over here. So we select center, diameter. We give the center point as center of this circle, that is this, and the diameter we give 14 units and hit enter. Now we'll just trim off the extra lines which we don't need. So we type trim and we hit enter, and we don't need this line, we don't need this line, this line, and this line. Also we don't need this line, this line, and finally we will end the trim command by hitting enter and use the erase command to erase these lines and hit enter. So friends, our gasket is now ready. Hope you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.